PlayStation backpack buddies. I think I'm gonna be opening 2 of them. So and the scene I really not. My favorite, the scene I not is that one. And I'm gonna open this one first. Yeah. Oh, you don't need scissors. Oh. Oh, what's this? Huh? It's so really loud. Oh, I did it on mode. I got a PS. Yes. Open it. I got that one. And hopefully I get 2 different ones because I do know that it's the same exact ones. And this is my last one. Jeez, this one is giant. Yeah, I think I got a PS4. I think this is a PS4 or 5. And this one is that one right there. And I got 2 different ones. But my favorite one is this one. These are the 2 I got. And bye, people. Some of my video, thumb up.